Christ Royal Family International Church presents Turning Point Miracle Service, the July edition 2025, with the team lifting the embargo, opening the heavens. Dates Tuesday 1st, Tuesday 8th, Tuesday 15th, and Tuesday 29th of July 2025. Time 9 a.m. every Tuesday morning. Venue Egbeda Glass Cathedral, number 18 Street 20 Babsarumi Street off Ogolano Street, Egbeda Bus Stop, Egbeda, Lagos State, Nigeria. Featuring praise and worship, the word, deliverance, prophetic, salvation, miracles, blessings. Host the iconic Bishop Tom Samson.
Bible says no one escape. He slaughtered them and take back what the devil has stolen. We are troubling Satan's palace. We are going to put down the gates of iron. We are pulling down Satan's stronghold. I prophesy their yoke shall be broken today. Bible says shall come to pass that day that the yoke shall be destroyed. I prophesy, receive your deliverance on your job, receive your deliverance in your business, receive your deliverance in your finances. You're getting married, that shadow is destroyed, that yoke is broken, that veil is removed. You shall fulfill your destiny.
For more information and inquiry, please call the numbers on your screen. Turning Point Miracle Service. Don't miss it.